Here's the project for the rainy day today. Not too much going on out there. Puddles here and there, and it's not a place I want to be right now. So, here's the project. Old wheelbarrow. Handle broke. I have to fix the handle. Wheelbarrow shot to begin with. A lot of the metal's rusted out. I'm going to put fender washers on there and reuse this tray until I can find another one, or just convert this into a wood carrying wheelbarrow. Firewood. It's the old handle. It's the wedge that goes up underneath. And I have a couple of 2x2s so I'm going to use for the handles. Yep, light duty for sure. But I don't lift much with this wheelbarrow anymore. Might put grass clippings or leaves or whatever in it. It'll last me until I get a replacement. The next part is a simple part. Just take the old handle, put it on a 2x2, hold it steady, get the length, because on this side we're going to have a hole that holds the reinforcement in the front. We're going to put this on here. Even it up side to side. Screw holes there. Screw hole there. Screw hole down here. And we want to also get the length of the handle. Easy. Starting to put this together now. Just regular zinc carriage bolts, for as long as this thing's going to be in contact with wood, it's not going to hurt it. And for the holes, I came up with some, shoot man, these things are like 1/8 inch thick fender washers. I took a file and filed out the middle so that the carriage bolt will lock in on the top and not spin. Hopefully that'll give me enough to tighten it up underneath. Alright. This one handle is done. Carriage bolts go through the tray, down through the pressure treated, all the way at the front. You can see where I had to grind it off on the front here, grinder marks. Now let's show you the top on the tray with the fender washers. Here they are here. Like I said, they'll try to spread as much stress as possible out over these enlarged holes and rusted out holes. I know, I'm cheap. Sorry. Thrifty suburbanite. Okay, just for point of reference, here is the wheelbarrow with the broken handle still attached to it. I didn't remove this part. I used the handle that was intact to make the tracings. But yeah, this is what happened. There, and here's the broken handle down here. Just broke right off. That's why we're making a new one. Here it is. Feels good, relatively balanced. These handles will last me. Even they'll outlast that tray. There's Another look at the big washers we put in there. Pretty sturdy, I'd say. I'm good with it. If I get a chance, I'll grind these ends down so there's no sharp edges there at all, and smaller hands might be able to get onto them. As for now, this is good. Well, almost ready to head over to the garden. This wheelbarrow works well for this use, just putting mulch, grass clippings, lighter things. I wouldn't use it for concrete or dirt anymore. It's too weak for that. So am I. But works well for this, holds a lot, fits through the gate going into the garden, for the fenced-in garden, and just works well. Plus now it's easy to use because it has two handles. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thrifty Suburbanite signing off.